In 3, 2, 1. It's a wet morning across the region. It's also warm. Temperatures actually went up last night. Rather unusual. We had something called warm air advection moving in. That's when you have the air, whether it's cold advection or warm advection, kind of moving in, changing temperature, but it can also kind of push things against what you typically find. So typically we'd find temperatures going down at night, but they actually went up last night because of the warm air advection was so powerful. The rain today before 3, 4, 5 o'clock, then it'll be tapering off. Temperatures will start falling back once the rain ends. You'll notice that colder air moving in. It's going to get dry. It feels a little bit spring-like out there this morning, certainly losing the snow cover. That gusty wind, we have a wind advisory posted for most areas, but there is a high wind warning along the coastline, Cape Ann, Cape Cod, even into the city of Boston, also the south coast from Newport down through all the Rhode Island coastline as well. And there's also a high wind warning for the Berkshires, Nantucket, and Martha's Vineyard. So some of those areas could see wind gusts over 55 miles an hour. That's really strong, even up as high as 60 in a few isolated locations, and that could take a few power lines down, some trees, and subsequent power lines. So just be aware of that. Tonight, temperatures fall back down into the 20s as skies clear. Tomorrow, we're in the upper 30s to low 40s, warmest Cape Cod, the islands, warmest, well, low 40s. And then we're in the low to mid 40s, some upper 40s even, Boston south on Sunday. Both days this weekend have sunshine, and both days have plenty of gusty wind. It's colder just above freezing south of Boston, just below north and west on Monday and Tuesday as well. And it looks like we may see a little bit of rain or snow activity here on Tuesday and Tuesday night. Right now, I don't think it's going to create enough snow that we're going to have, an inch on the ground Christmas Day, but it could bring a little bit of snow to northern New England. So that's in the cards. We'll keep an eye on that for you over the weekend. I hope you have a terrific weekend. If you're shopping in actual stores instead of online, have fun, and I hope you find a good parking spot.